you have another video with another unboxing video. Oh, and we have Lige from Amazon. And I don't know, I'm pulling the tag off.
Okay.
Oh. We like that. I know the scales and stuff. Oh, that one bought.
Okay, don't worry about the warranty and stuff. Okay.
What?
Okay, it's a manual. And your international guarantee, that's your warranty card. Okay. And some sort of Amazon card. We'll check it out later. I don't think we want to show the data or the information on there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. No, hey, we're not showing that in case there's personal information on there. Okay. And let's see your watch. Let's see the watch. Hold it up. That is really nice looking. What do you think of it?
I know, right?
Oh my goodness. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.